Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have a very special update for you. Many of you have been asking me for a simple but powerful trading system. And the good news is, I have been working on a brand new strategy, which I will be publishing very soon. This strategy is built around two of the most reliable indicators in trading. The first one is the moving average, and the second one is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. But here is the twist. We are not just using one moving average. In this setup, we will combine the RSI with three different moving averages. Now, why this combination? Moving averages are perfect for finding the market trend. They give us direction, whether the market is moving up or moving down. On the other hand, RSI shows us the strength of that move. It tells us whether the price is overbought, oversold, or ready for a reversal. When these tools are combined together, they filter out a lot of false signals. This means fewer mistakes and more accurate entries. And with the extra moving averages added, the setup becomes even sharper. We can spot the trend early, we can confirm it with RSI, and we can exit at the right time. In the full strategy video, I will explain step by step how to place these indicators on your chart, what exact settings to use for each one, and how to combine the signals to find a perfect entry and exit. This system is designed for all types of traders. If you are new to trading, you will find it easy to understand. If you are an experienced trader, you can still use it for intraday trading, scalping, or even longer swing trades. It also works on different markets, like Forex, indices, and even crypto. Right now, I am still backtesting this system. I want to make sure it performs well in different conditions, like trending markets, sideways markets, and even during news events. Once I finish testing, I will publish the full strategy, with clear rules and live chart examples. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications, because you don't want to miss this one. It is simple, it is powerful, and it can change the way you trade. Stay tuned, stay patient, and get ready for the full guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.